Hey guys, I'm Dave Canterbury coming to you from the outdoor show in Italy, 2019. I'm here with Kit Walken, and she is a man tracking expert. She teaches tracking, both animal and man tracking, as well as tactical type tracking. She's come up with an awesome accessory that she can wear every day that becomes a tool. You know I'm a fan of multi-functionality. She's wearing a bracelet that she can use as a tracking tool, and I'm going to have her show you how that works today.
You got centimeters and you got inches. Just lay it on the ground. Make sure not to contaminate additional tracks. And then you can match the two pieces together so you can actually measure the whole length of the track as well as the length of the heel or the toe.
And you can also use this for animal tracking
Absolutely,
to measure stride
yes,
and gait, correct?
Absolutely, yes, Dave.
Awesome.
It's easy to carry.
Pretty awesome new product, I think. You can get it from Prometheus Leather. Again, created by Kit Walken from mantracking.com. Thanks, guys.